Whether you're looking for your first job out of college, are looking to re-enter the workforce after some time off, or are looking to make a career change, you probably already know how difficult the job search process can sometimes be. The information that's out there about you publicly on the internet can make or break your chances at your dream job. So make sure to take care of these things before clicking apply. Number 1, change your Facebook privacy settings. Now, many of us have our Facebook posts to default to friends only now, but it wasn't necessarily always that way. And since Facebook is the #1 social platform out there, it's really important to keep a close eye on what is being said about you on it. Now, one study showed that up to 70% of hiring managers and HR folks check candidates' social media profiles before making an offer, so you don't want to forget about this step. In addition to doing a quick audit of the public components of your profile, like your profile picture, you don't want to have anything illegal or super wild on that profile picture. Just make sure it's a nice photo of yourself, and ideally you're wearing a smile. In addition to that, you want to make sure to go back and look at some of your older posts. I know that what I thought was appropriate when I was 17 has changed quite a bit. So anything that's out there from years and years ago, you might want to private, delete, or limit the audience for. Facebook actually has a great privacy setting where you're able to limit past posts, so you might want to check that out too. Number 2, use the Twitter search bar. If you're active on Twitter, you know that the platform can sometimes get a little heated between current events, pop culture, politics. We've probably all tweeted and deleted before, but what about those tweets that we forgot to delete? A really easy way to make sure that you haven't said anything super profane, offensive, or that you just don't agree with anymore is to use the search bar. So let's say that my Twitter username was Latasha Marple. I'd just type in Latasha Marple space, whatever the term is that I'm looking for. Let's say for this example, I want to look up beer because I want to make sure that I didn't say anything super inappropriate about that topic. Now, use your best judgment, of course, and depending on the type of job you're applying for, maybe a tweet about a beer list at a restaurant wouldn't be considered inappropriate. But if I'm tweeting about beer before I was of legal age to consume alcohol, or if I was doing it in a really obnoxious, profane way, you might want to go ahead and delete that. Last tip, find out what shows up in Google search. Now, if 70% of hiring managers are searching for you on social media, we can pretty easily guess that a large percentage of those folks are also searching for us on Google. Now, the traditional way to do this would be just to open up a new tab, go to Google and type in your name. And that works, but it's pretty manual and the options are limited when it comes to reporting anything negative or just keeping track on other terms and keeping up to date with it. And that's where we can help. So Marple is a new app that allows you to keep tabs on whatever term it is that you like in Google search. When it comes to the job search process, we definitely recommend keeping tabs on your name. So what we'll do is we'll notify you whenever new results come up about you on Google search. And we also allow you to mark those results positive or negative. So maybe there's something out there that's untrue or malicious. You can go ahead and report that search result to Google and ask them to remove it. The best part is you can sign up for free today at marple.app and get your job search off in the right direction. If you've been enjoying our videos about personal branding and career growth, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. And you can also leave us a comment down below and let us know if you have any other job search tips or if there's any content you'd like to see from us in the future. And of course, don't forget to head over to our website to sign up for free and start tracking your name. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.